Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today I'm speaking about different accessories for the 3M safety helmet, both in arc flash and later I'll be talking about industrial face shields. Associated with arc flash, we have our new Toric face shield, which is a conforming style lens, optically corrected, ventilated at the bottom with a special front vent, accessories for being able to put flashlights onto the product, and it's mounted here on a weight compensating bracket that allows the shield to be conforming to the helmet, built-in chin protector, and it really doesn't hang out much beyond the front of the helmet, so it's more compact, which is very convenient for some of the difficult locations that people wear these types of products. So this is a 12-calorie ATPV value arc flash face shield, hard-coated on the front surface, anti-fog on its interior, easily changed from the bracket with the lever lock system, and this entire face shield assembly can be taken off of this helmet with our press to release feature located in the helmet. Again, it is a arc flash face shield available both in 12 calories and here in 20 calories. I'll show you the flashlight attachment. So the flashlights, which are very convenient for use, snap onto the shield. You can have just one or use two. And the flashlight is easily adjusted in any position. Just point it to where you want the light to be at, let go, and it stays. And that's part of our design of the flashlight assembly, is to make it very convenient. If the face shield is up, you can put the light down to where you're working, or if the flashlight is needed when the shield is down, you just bring it back up into position. Continuing to speak about the accessories for the 3M safety helmet and our new Toric face shield line. This is a clear polycarbonate Toric face shield on a weight compensating bracket. This would be the TS-L9F. The 9 indicates the thickness, so the shield is a little bit thicker than you may be used to. It's 90 thousandths thick in the center, and it tapers back to 60 thousandths on the ends. This is for reasons of optics that we've done that. Now, in this particular case, you can again see the conforming nature of the face shield, the built-in chin protector. Face shield into the deployed position, comes down fairly close to your chest, wraps underneath your chin, giving you protection from different objects that would be coming up this direction. So we bring it up into the stowed position. It stows and locks. We have adjustable pivots, so you can set the tension to what you want and how tight you want that to lock. The quick press to release feature, so you could take the whole assembly on and off very easily. So this is a polycarbonate clear face shield. Now let's talk about the options. This face shield can have a hard coating and anti-fog coating. That's a permanent anti-fog, and a silicone hard coating on the front that's very abrasion resistant. And also an additional accessory, you can have the flashlight mounts. The flashlight mounts, as previously shown, will simply snap on to the face shield, so now you can have lighting wherever you want to work. Should it be you didn't want to have the lighting, it just simply comes off. So these are a lot of nice accessories to go with that face shield. We also have different models of the face shield. So in this particular case here, you can see that there's no flashlight mounts on it, and this one does not have the silicone coating. This is a dark green face shield for very bright furnace work, and we don't have the flashlight mounts on it, and this one can be coated or uncoated. Again, you have that nice chin protection that comes in with this type of face shield. And here we have a cobalt blue version. This is utilized when you're looking at the molten steel in a ladle, and you want to be able to identify the slag that's on the surface. It's also used in where there's molten glass. There was another type of shield besides a lens called didinium blue, where this idea had come from. So this is also available both as coated and uncoated. And this example is a nylon face shield. It's a transparent nylon. Paulson Manufacturing is the only company in the world that's supplying industrial face shields made from transparent nylon. And this is available as coated and uncoated. Permanent anti-fog, silicone coating on its exterior. The advantages of the nylon shield are that it's very chemical resistant and higher heat than actually the polycarbonate. Now we have coming attractions. That would be different shades. For example, shade 3, shade 9. We have gold-coated Toric face shields that will be coming out. And we'll have actually a quick view assembly that will go with the Toric face shield so that you can have a clear shield and then just lower your lens that is creating the filter and raising it back up as you're working. So this will be a complete product line that will be available for you, all of it interchangeable with the weight compensating bracket, and then the custom brackets that are attachments that go to the helmet to be able to accessorize your 3M safety helmet. This is the weight compensating bracket for the 3M safety helmet, WCB 3M. We don't sell on the industrial shields the bracket and the face shield together as a combination. They're separated. And the reason is there's too many different models. And so we don't have any idea what the person was going to need, what their application is. So what we're going to do is we sell the bracket, and then you have to separately purchase the face shield to go with this bracket.